Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Ever thought about growing your own ginseng? This ancient herb is not just a health booster, but it's also a rewarding addition to your garden. Stick around, and I'll take you through 10 simple steps to master ginseng cultivation. Step 1. Location, location, location. Ginseng thrives in well-drained, shaded areas. Imitate a forest floor if you can. Think of a spot with dappled sunlight and good airflow. Step 2. Soil prep. Ginseng loves rich, loamy soil. Mix in organic matter like compost or aged leaf mold to mimic its natural habitat. Aim for a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Step 3. Seed selection. Go for stratified seeds, folks. These have been through a chilling process that helps them germinate quicker. You can find these at specialty garden centers or online. Step 4. Planting time. Best time to plant is in the fall. Dig small holes about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and a layer of leaf mulch. Step 5. Water wisely. Ginseng doesn't like soggy soil. Water your plants just enough to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, and nobody wants that. Step 6. Mulching magic. Keep that mulch layer thick, about 2 to 3 inches. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and protect the seeds during winter. Step 7. Patience is key. Ginseng is a slow grower. It takes about 3-5 years for roots to mature. Don't rush it. Good things come to those who wait, right? Step 8. Weed control. Keep your ginseng bed weed-free. Weeds compete for nutrients and space. Regularly check and remove any unwanted plants. Step 9. Pest control. Watch out for pests like slugs and deer. Use organic deterrents like crushed eggshells or a simple fence. Healthy plants are less susceptible to diseases. Step 10. Harvest time. When your plants are about 5 years old, it's time to dig up those roots. Use a garden fork to gently lift them out. Clean, dry, and store them properly. And there you have it. 10 simple steps to cultivating your very own ginseng. It's a bit of a wait, but trust me, it's well worth it. Happy gardening, and see you next time.